Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I trust that this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. Today we are making a strawberry coconut smoothie. For this recipe, we're going to be needing fresh strawberries. You can also use the frozen ones if that is what you have. Coconut, I got these from the local store. Ice, adding some ice because I did not put the coconut in the fridge. I want my smoothie to be chilled. Protein powder. Let's get into the video. Friends, I'm gonna go ahead and break these off camera and we'll be right back to continue. Into a blender, you want to add strawberries, protein powder, coconut water. You want to go ahead and add some of the meat from the coconut. Ice. Close the blender and blend. Friends, behold this amazing coconut strawberry smoothie. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay blessed and be safe. Bye.